Today we will have a look at Ozito's brushless angle grinder. This is 125mm. So let's just get started. So what do we get? Some manual. We get a disc. We get a guard. What is this thing? We got a bit of a handle as well. And here is the actual device. So this is a brushless version. We are just going to put this thing on. Looking good. Now this thing will go in, so it is going to lock the bolt in here, which is good. And now goes the disc. That's the disc. Not bad. And then goes on this thing. Now you're going to press this button and tighten it. Now I'm just going to put the battery on. Now this thing has got some serious grunt. This is just a 2 ampere battery. Imagine what it would do with a 5 ampere one. Pretty good. Very impressive, actually. Now, if you want to remove this thing, how are you going to do it? So you see the handle that actually came with it? You just put that thing up in here for the ease of grinding. But then this thing also has a bit of a spanner. There you go. So using this one, press and hold that button at the back. That's it. It's off. That's it. I like it. Not bad at all. Just on 2 ampere battery. All right, so if you like the video, hit like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon. It helps. Thanks guys. See ya. Bye.